Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm going to be reviewing the McKinnon Camera Pack, the 35-liter one, that is. All right, so that's very important. This is the biggest one that's actually Nomatic has when it comes to travel bags or camera travel bags. So I'm going to do a short review on this. It's going to be exactly what you need to know in order to make a fully informed purchasing decision, because this bag, it's amazing, but it's not for everyone. All right, so the very first thing is that you should know is that this bag is a carry-on size, okay? This is not going to be a personal item on a plane. It's going to be a carry-on size for just about any airplane. So right away, I know that's going to affect a few things, but this is going to cover everything for what most photographers need. Now, I always like a place for my keys because I always go like my car keys or my house keys, and I really like that it has this hook right here because it's just a small pocket, big enough for my hand to fit in. But I like that I can just put my keys in there. You know, once you zip it up, it kind of tucks back in there, and I can just leave everything right away, you know, first access. So let's go ahead, open this thing up and show you what it looks like on the inside. On the inside, you can see here with the hook, the bag itself expands, which I'll show you in a little bit, but you can actually use a hook to go ahead and clip your clothes in and hold your clothes. It also has pockets here, so 4 pockets right there that you can put things into. Go ahead and open it all the way up. And this adds about 7 liters of room on each side that you can simply do this by unzipping the side. It's down here on the bottom, it goes all the way around. So it expands all the way from the bottom here and the sides. All right, so that's, like I said, if you want to put it in clothes, pack for, you know, a weekend trip, you put some jeans, t-shirts, socks, things like that there. Now, let's look at the front of the bag. So again, this is the front. And you can see even more pocket space through here. Has anything and everything of zipper line pockets, mesh pockets that you can place in there. So plenty of room as well there. Something I really like too, that it unzips all the way right there. Okay, so that's the front area. Now, where the rest of the pockets are going to be accessed is actually through the back. But before showing that to you, I want to show you the back right here and the front. Both have spots where you can actually hook any TSA approved lock in. So that's very important with all the camera equipment that you have, right? So you can just pop in TSA lock, right, into the zipper, and that's actually what's going to keep all of your gear, everything safe. Both sides have that, which I really like, especially when you're traveling. Something else that's really nice is actually the material itself. You can see it almost has like a leather feel, but it's water resistant. So if you're out caught in the rain, you know, out doing the landscape shoot, anything like that, you know, vlogging outside, then the material is amazing because it is that water resistant material. All right, so let's start here on the back. Now, the back you can see here has, of course, the hip, you know, really good thick, you know, hip straps that really, especially if you have a bunch of weight in your bag, it's going to take that weight off. Good for long hikes. Obviously, you know, you got the shoulder harnesses as well, and then the clip. The straps are really padded, so that's definitely good. So, you know, when they're around your shoulder, and again, you know, for long hikes. Here's your laptop pouch. You know, I have a MacBook Pro that easily fits down in there. That would fit. This pouch though is big enough. I mean, it swallows the MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. So this would definitely fit a MacBook Pro laptop. Also on the sides, you do have these flaps that open up. This one's going to be into the interior, right, to grab your equipment quick. The other side, however, is going to be a little bit different, and that's going to be for your water bottle, right? So magnets right here, keep it down, and you can put a water bottle or a tripod in there. You can see that it has that mesh that expands, which is nice. And then also, you can connect anything through here too. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, so you can see here, this is deep. All right, so I'm actually going to grab a measuring tape and show you how deep this is, because this can hold a lot of stuff. These are Velcro. The dividers are Velcro also, so you can get pretty crafty with, you know, and creative on, you know, what dividers and what works best for you. But yeah, let me go ahead. I want to show you how deep this is because, you know, this is going to hold any type of, you know, full frame camera that I can really think of. So this is about 5 inches. So that's, like I said, going to hold any. Let me grab my full frame here. So there's a full frame camera in here. Let's grab a crop. So I mean, I could throw it in there. You know, let's see, let me grab a lens. Can fit the lenses in there, and let's go ahead. Let's start grabbing all of my equipment. we can put my GoPro here. So got a GoPro and a couple extra batteries. This is the case that I keep my Rode wireless mics in. So we can put them in there. And then drone in case there. And of course, we got SD cards, can put in that slot. But I mean, I still have plenty of room, right? You know, I got a power shoot camera that I could fit in there. Maybe some handles if I wanted to put it. Yeah, I mean, you can of course make this really to be anything that you want it to be. But obviously, I've put on all the equipment that I normally carry with me. All fits really well in the camera bag. And then of course, remember on the front, I still have room for clothes. Also, if I just want to put everything that I own in this bag. Now on the front here, we're going to slide some things over, and on the back, you have more mesh zippers, of course, everything. And then this, you have full pocket. You can put in books, put in books, notebooks, anything like that in there. But when it first came in, I was like, well, that's a little bit bigger. But then I started playing around with it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is going to cover really any kind of travels, whether it's long travels, short travels. I'm going to be able to fit a lot of stuff in this bag. So I think it can be really well utilized, whether it's on a short weekend trip or, like I said, even, a week, couple weeks. And it's very firm, right? This bag, I mean, the back is not bending. It has a very firm back. Everything's really well padded. They've really put some thought into this bag and really thought about, content creators and travel creators, photographers. I think that they've really done a great job of this. So, of course, that's my quick review of the McKinnon 35 liter, and hope you enjoyed it as much as I will.